How to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your TikTok app. And from here, when you go to the search bar, I'm just gonna go to the home section first and click on the search bar icon at the top right. And as you can see, you have this you may like section right here. And if you click on the refresh option in line with it, it'll just change it up. Now, if you want to remove it, let's go back and go to the profile at the bottom right. And from here, click on the three bar line at the top right. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, let's tap on Activity Center and let's tap on Search History. From here, we click on Select at the top right and select all of it. You can tap on Select All Search History at the bottom left and click on Delete All at the bottom right and delete once again. Once you've done that, we still have our next part, so make sure to keep on watching. From here, let's go back and go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and let's go to Notifications. Now, if you missed this next part, you'll have to start over. From here, let's scroll down and under Personalized Post Suggestions, make sure that you turn all of these off. And for the post suggestions, you click on this one and make sure that it is toggled off as well, like that. Once you have done all of that and you go back to the search bar, you would be able to see that it has been refreshed. You can also try to force restart TikTok like this. Scroll up from the bottom middle and swipe it up to force close it. And once you reopen TikTok and go to the search bar, you should see that it has now been changed. And that is how you remove TikTok you may like suggestions.